welcome to a Bath Carnival tutorial. I'm Carly and today we're going to be working on your wildfire costume accessories, starting with your headdress, which when we're done is going to look like this. So in your pack you're going to find one of these strips, which we've already added some of the outside flames to for you. And what we need you to do is take some tissue paper and just tear it up into some pointy strips, just like this. Okay, so they look a bit like that, and you're going to do that in a few different colours, reds, oranges and yellows, until you've got a nice pile to work with of flames. Once you're ready, you're going to take your base bit and some PVA glue. Take your first piece and you're going to just roll it a little bit over itself at the base with your pointy bit at the top, like that. And what that will do is help it to stand up a bit better. And then you're going to take some glue and dab it on, and then scrunch down gently your first piece so that it's holding upright. And you're just going to keep going, adding them on until you've covered your base. And it will look like this one here, nice and full with lots of colour. While that piece is drying, you can work on adding your decoration to your headdress base. So you'll get one of these in your pack, and what you want to do is make sure that this fits here and this will be the front of your headdress. And you're going to take some sequins, probably about 2 or 3 colours that you like, and you're going to add them on with some PVA glue in a design that you like to your front of your headdress, probably so it looks a little bit like this. And then when that's done and it's all dried, that will be assembled and you'll have your finished headdress. Now we're going to move on to your second accessory, which are these fire armbands, which you'll wear up your arms up here. To make these, you'll find in your pack that we've given you some brightly coloured bits of netting and fabric. So you're going to get all those out ready, and some elastic. So you'll need to cut the elastic to your arm, and you might need some help from your teacher to do this bit. But what you want to do is take the elastic up your arm, make sure it's quite snug so it'll stay up as you're wearing them, and then make a note of where you're cutting, and then that's where you're going to make your cut. And then you need one for your other arm, so just cut another piece that's the same size, like that. So now you've got your 2 armband elastics. You're going to tie a knot in them, just a double knot. Like that. And what you're going to do then is take a piece of your netting and you're going to loop it through, and you're going to tie a knot in it, a single knot, onto the elastic, nice and tight, and then you can fluff them out so they're pretty like that. And you're just going to keep going, adding different colours until you've gone all the way round like this, and you've got your armband. And now we're going to make your third and final accessory, which is your fire stick, which you're going to use in your performance. So in your pack you're going to find a chopstick, 2 pieces of colourful ribbon and a piece of wool. First thing you need to do is take your yellow ribbon, and we're going to, with some tape, stick it to the very top of the chopstick. Just secure it, roll the tape around, and you've already got your first piece of ribbon in place. Then you're going to take your second piece of ribbon, and this one we're going to roll up the length of the chopstick, and that will make it really pretty and nicely covered. So what we're going to do first of all is tape it at the bottom, which will anchor it in place. Just again, wrap the tape around so you've got your ribbon nice and sturdy. And then you're going to take your ribbon, hold it tight, and then roll at an angle so that we cover our stick. Keep going until you've covered it, and we're up to the yellow at the very top. And then once we get there, we're going to take another piece of tape and secure it in place. Squeeze it so it's nice and tight and secure. Now you've got your two pieces of ribbon. The final touch is to take your piece of wool, and then we're going to roll and wrap that up the same way we did the ribbon. So again, you're going to secure it at the bottom. And then to make a nice handle, if you could roll it a bit tighter at the bottom, and then we're going to bring it up, spiraling up to the top, all the way up. And then again, with another piece of tape, secure it in place at the top. And you've got your completed fire stick. So to show you your final wildfire costume, we have the lovely Hannah from Bath Carnival to show you the whole look. So we have the fabulous headdress, the grasslands collar on the green top, the fire armbands, and of course the fire stick.